Hi guys, welcome back. Right, I haven't done a video for a week, so I thought about time. Had this parcel come in the post. When did it come? Might have, maybe yesterday, I think. Now, where is my knife? So we're going to open it and have a look what goodies are in there. I'm not sure who it's from. I've got a sneaking feeling it may be from Boldi because he sent me a message the other day saying expect incoming. Excuse me. Absolutely. Oh, blimey. Need to quit the fags. No idea what's in here. Okay, why is that not coming? Okay, we just do it like that. The red box. Okay, lots of packaging. And there we go, lots of euros. Okay, a union. I'm guessing it's from Boldi, but hang on. Yanyo New Year Fun. New Year Fun. Yanyo lock. Challenge lock. The Union. No named. Oh, that looks interesting. Number 10. Bachetti. What is that from? Q, don't know what that is. Q, what that stands for. No named. No, that one. Unnamed. Scandinavian oval. Nice. Bachetti. Look at that. Look at that for a keyway. In focus. Don't think I'm focused very well, but never mind. Yeah, that's got a horrible keyway in it. And then another alert. Right, so should we try and pick one? What should we go for? Let's try this era. It's not, well, it's got an era key, but Scandinavian oval. Put these to one side. Thank you, Boldi. That's in fact, if it was you that sent, please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not sure if I'm in focus. I'm just going to stop now and make sure I'm in focus, because I can't focus while I'm recording. Okay, eyes open wide awake, back in the room. I think we should be focused. Okay, so here's the key. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pin. Out of the packet. Let's go for, what kind of pick should we go for? We'll start with a Secure Pro hook. Just get tension in tool. That's very sloppy, that core. I wonder if this is a Not sure if this is a challenge lock or what. But pin 1 feels like he's winding. That felt like pin 1.
What was it about the quirky chalet that infused you so much?
3. That was 5 or 6. Can't remember how many pins this has got. Count rotation on 5. I think this has got 6 pins on it. Just try and move this so you can see what I'm doing. Thought I'd drop one then.
Okay, we then moved on to the traditional Canarian townhouse, which Ella, when you saw that roof terrace, you loved it.
Maybe I didn't get pin 5 properly. 6, it feels like he's sticking up again.
Okay. Next, we went on to the brand new contemporary house, which again, totally enthusiastic about the property. What happened?
Again, when we looked at it in more depth, the swimming pool is on the north
3.
of the building.
Alright, easy open. I don't know what was in there. Shall we open it? Yeah, let's have it. I don't know how long that took. Couple of minutes. Out of the packet. And definitely feels like a challenge lock. Didn't see any writing on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it was 6 pin. Right, let's open it. Have a look. Right, we're going down. Going down. Okay, pinning tray. Clear some room. Clear me pinning tray a minute. Pinning tray. Lock. Where's that key? There's the key. Pliers. Tweezers, follower. Okay, let's try and get this clip off the back. Doesn't look like it's a very hard clip to get off. But having said that, it's going to be a bugger, isn't it, when I've been clearing up and I don't know where my pliers are. Bollocks, come on, Sonny. Right, where's my pliers? There they are. Okay, here's my pliers. It's not a bender, this one, but so I'm going to try and bend it a little bit. Right, there we go. There we go. Right, he's off. Keys pins are up there. Follower. That should be fine. Okay, is it a challenge lock? Right, let's have a look. No, I can't see any threading or anything. Right, anyway, pin 1, standard. Pin 2, standard. Pin 3, standard. 4, standard. 5, standard. 6, standard. These are definitely not standard. These in here because I could feel it. Definitely some serrations and or spools. If there's not any spools or serrated pins in here, then I am going bonkers. Pin 1 is standard. 2 is a spool. 3 standard. 4 come out. 4 spool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Right, pin 5. Can't reach him. That's a spool as well. And 6. Standard. Well, that is a lovely oval. The springs all look like they're the same size. Yeah, nice Scandinavian oval. Picked and gutted for your pleasure. I don't think I can show you these pens and let it stay in focus. There you go, standard in 1, spool, standard, spool, spool, standard. Okay guys, see you later. Thank you Boldi, that's in fact if it was you, please correct me if I'm wrong. Okay guys, see you later, bye.